understand this. And perhaps something that will come up often is how you actually perform an operation on an entire series. Now, very, very soon, I think it's in lecture series number 3 or number 4 or something, when we start looking at preprocessing, you do things like, on all observations, I want to remove stop words. I want to apply stemming, for instance. The question is, how do you do that? Well, we define a function, right? A function that's going to allow you to remove all stop words, to apply stemming, to remove punctuations, and you use the apply command. So you define your function, and then on that particular series, right, the slice of the data frame, you do a dot apply. This is the part where I said in here, if let's say we wanted to do this. This is a simple example here. We wanted to get the student names, and for some weird reason, you decide to say, well, we want these student names to be in all uppercase or something. What you would do is you'd say, I'm going to define a function called up or something that takes in a variable name or something like that. And then I'll just say return. What do they say in Python? What function do we, how do we return the what do you call this? All uppercase representation of the name? Yeah, I don't know, right? So we're trying to do this, is it? We're trying to do this. So the point being, if I wanted to convert all of these things here into uppercase, what I'll then do is I use the apply function, right? And then I feed it this helper function that I've created. And it's going to convert everything into upper. Very, very useful, right? Otherwise, you probably come up with a brute force implementation where you say, well, I am going to extract all the items in my, this is what you would do, right? I know you. I'm going to extract everything in here, and then I will convert it to, I'll convert it to a list because I know how to work with lists, right? And then I'll start for each, for name, right? In list, right? I'm going to say var name dot up or something. This is retarded, but this is what you probably would do.